Hey y'all, so it is hours later. I guess this is like the start of a travel vlog, kind of. We're at the airport. As you can see, hours later. So if you watched the previous vlog, you would have known that we missed our flight this morning at 6. He didn't even help, okay? He didn't even help, knocked out. So we just got to the airport. It's mad empty in here. Like I said, there's gonna be a snowstorm tonight, so a lot of the flights are canceled, especially for in the morning. A lot of them are already canceled, but we're managing to get onto the last flight with my airline for tonight to get to Florida. And obviously once we're in Florida, then we're good, because from Florida to Jamaica is easy. So we're in the airport right now. Just dropped off our bags and got our boarding pass and stuff, so we're about to head through security, which, by the way, there's no line. Ain't nothing. There is nothing, okay? Nothing. So we're just gonna head through security, sit at our gate and wait. I'm actually gonna do some editing because I need to get that done. But yeah, I guess let's go to Orlando. Alright y'all, we just made it through CSA. That took all of like, how long did that take? 2 minutes? It was quick. And I have pre-check, so you know, we don't got to take your shoes off and all of that. Walk into our gate. Alright y'all, we're waiting. The plane should land in another like 50 minutes. No, I think we're boarding in another 50 minutes, which means the plane is gonna land in probably like half hour. So we're just waiting. Oh, and also, this is my thing that I bought at LensCrafter. It's the smart glasses, the Meta smart glasses with the camera and the speakers. I'm still testing it out and learning it and figuring it out, so yeah, don't be surprised if you start getting some different point of view. But I always wanted these. I always wanted these, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna get it for myself. They did have a deal, and because I go to the eye doctor there, I did get a good little discount. So I was able to get like the basic model, which is fine for me. So these don't transition. They don't have my prescription or anything in them, which is fine. But I can always add my prescription at a later date if I want to, which fantastic. So for now, they don't have my prescription in, so I do have contacts in. But as you can see, we are at the airport waiting. I think they're actually making some announcements, but y'all know, flight attendant, I don't really need to go over there. And then I can tell when the flight gets here, so we're just chilling right now waiting until the plane lands and they do all of that, and then it's ready to head out. So what you want to show off your haircut? Guys, I guess he wants y'all to see his haircut. Take off that off your head. Take off that off your head. If I have a fresh haircut, better head make them see the waves. Ooh, wavy. Yeah. And him a what look around the basketball for whatever reason. So yeah. So we're waiting, but we should be fine because it's not even snowing yet. It's still not snowing yet. It's after 8. And it was supposed to start snowing at like 7, I think. But it's not snowing yet, so all being well, we should be fine. And I did just see the crew for it, including the pilots. So they're obviously just starting for the day, so I think we should be fine. So yeah. But this is it. Obviously the airport is like empty. Nothing happening. Nobody with it. Nobody with it. Nobody with it. Him love problem, guys. Him love problem. Nothing is happening right now. We're just chilling, waiting. Only Papitni do. I mean, it's where we're going because we're going to Orlando. So, you know, Disney and thing. Only Papitni, but that's okay. And the flight's not full, so should be plenty of space for us to like spread out and stuff like that. But yeah, we'll see you when we're boarding. Alright guys, JK, we ain't going nowhere. As you can see, the airport is fully closed. Fully closed. So we literally boarded, went on the tarmac, it started snowing, we de-iced twice, sat there for an hour. And then the captain decided he doesn't think it's safe. We're going back to the gate. So we are gonna do when you take it. So yeah, we're back inside the airport, except the fact that it's winter storm Bryant or Brent or Brant or whatever the storm name is. And this is not supposed to stop until tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon at like 1 p.m. So yeah, we still here. And I think low-key, high-key, they're like BSing us, but y'all know I work for them, so I'm saying it, but I'm not saying it. But yeah, so we'll see if we actually get to leave or not. But for right now, we left and turned back, and now who knows what's gonna happen. But yeah, alright, later. Y'all, so the last tip y'all saw was we were in the airport last night. Our flight to be boarded deplaned, and then our flight got canceled. We didn't end up going back home because we ended up getting a flight from Connecticut to West Palm Beach today at like 8 o'clock in the morning. By the time we got rebooked and everything, it was already like 2-3 o'clock. So we just crashed in the airport along with a few other people. So now we're in West Palm Beach in an Uber going to Fort Lauderdale to then get a flight from Fort Lauderdale to Jamaica. It's been so much. Like, that flight just now, I slept the entire time. I'm so exhausted. But we're doing what we gotta do. And like I said, today is my 1-year anniversary, wedding anniversary. And obviously, I'm not with Hubster, but that's okay. You know, part of the process. So though it's not much, at least he's getting to be in Florida for the first time. So, yeah. Also have not slept. I don't know what kind of energy he got, but did not sleep that whole flight. So, we'll see whenever he crashes out, I guess. Alright, I'll see you guys when we get to Fort Lauderdale. After 2 long days, quite literally, 2 long days of traveling, you know, for you see Mr. Kelly and also reach, right? Mr. Man around there, so I know he about to fall asleep because he did not sleep at all.
I'm not.
On both flights, did not sleep at all. But he did drop asleep in the Uber, so.
Nearly drop asleep.
No, you know, but nearly. I have videos to prove that you fell asleep. Yeah, so. The journey continues because now we gotta bring him, go drop him off. That's what, an hour each way. Before we can actually be home and settle in and all of that. So yeah, long 2 days, but by the grace of God we made it. Wasn't feeling too well, but we're all good. So yeah, I guess we catch the end part of our anniversary, no? Hey guys, I'm getting the ending of my first anniversary. But you know what? Everything happens for a reason. Yeah. So, yeah. Why you at me? Anything to know? Say hey, bro.
Well, look at the excavator.
So excited for excavators and just trucks in general. We just drove past the excavator. But anyways, y'all. beautiful day with us. You know, we in Jamaica, the road is gonna be real bumpy and stuff, so this is where I'm gonna end this video. So please make sure you go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that